Now let's talk about some preparation strategies, because that's what you're here for. Okay, so preparation strategies. One of the strategy that you should have is strong core concepts. So whenever you're planning to start preparing for your SATs, make sure you start from the basics itself, and make sure you start a while back, so you have the time to prepare the basics of algebra, of geometry, of trigonometry, and data analysis. You know how to solve quadratic equations, you know how to deal with linear equations. This can only see in the test. You might have some questions that are a bit twisted, so to solve those type of questions, you should have very strong core concepts. You should be aware of the quadratic equations and everything in detail. Second preparation strategy that I usually advise to my students is to have a good knowledge of the exam pattern. So exam format or the test format, you should have a very good understanding of that. Now the third is practice. Now this is a preparation strategy, and this is one of the common mistakes as well. Students, once they start understanding something, they believe that okay, they are good with it and they can move on to the next concept. What they miss during their preparation time is they don't practice enough. I'll tell you one thing, doing the exams is one of the last steps during the past papers, or the the demo papers or something like that. It's one of the last steps of your preparation. In the beginning, you should pick up some random exercises from your school, or from Google. You can find a lot of exercises, or from some mathematics book, and you should practice the concept you just had in your mind. The more you practice, the more clear it will be, and it will be more better for you. It will be better for you, and it will be easier for you to solve complex problems also. This is one thing. And the last thing is, make sure you're good with your time management skills. Since you have questions like data analysis and problem solving in the SATs, they take some time. The questions are usually lengthy. It takes some time to read it, and then to get the information out of it, and then to decide what type of approach will be best to solve these questions. This will take you 1 or 2 minutes, or maybe 3 minutes for some students. So for each question, you don't have this much time in the exam. You have other sections also. So you need to make sure that you're good with your time management. You don't want to lose marks just because you did not have enough time, okay?